Allahabad High Court, APS Series B, Exercise 14 at the speed of 100 words per minute. Be ready? Start. The sum and substance of the submissions which were urged by Mr. Krishnan Venugopal, learned senior counsel, is that where a law provides for a change in forum, this is treated as a matter of procedure and not of substance. The Act of 2019 is not a legislation merely enhancing the limits of the pecuniary jurisdiction by an amendment to the Act of 1986. On the contrary, the Act of 2019 is a completely new law which abolished the hierarchy of tribunals under the erstwhile Act of 1986 and created a new adjudicatory hierarchy. As a matter of interpretation, the Act of 2019 clearly indicates an intention to the contrary, as a result of which pending proceedings will not continue before the forums which existed under the Act of 1986. In other words, the limits of pecuniary jurisdiction which have been defined under the Act of 2019 will apply to all pending actions, and a transfer of existing cases would be required in those cases where the jurisdiction to entertain the complaint lies within the pecuniary limits of the newly established forum. In support of his submissions, Mr. Venugopal relied on a line of precedent which would be discussed while analyzing the rival contentions. Stop para. In an earlier part of the judgment, the court noted that paragraph E of subsection 2 of section 38 of the Interpretation Act 1889 provides that any legal proceedings in respect of any right acquired or accrued under the repealed enactment may continue as if the repealing act had not been passed. Noting that the interpretation of this paragraph is not free from difficulty, Justice Vardacharya observed that the view has sometimes been taken that what is saved is a substantive right acquired under the repealed enactment, and that the paragraph cannot be invoked in cases where the substantive right is not taken away by the repealing act, but the mere forum for or the method of enforcing it is changed. On the other hand, the court noted it has been maintained that a right to obtain a relief in a suit pending at the fee time when the repealing enactment comes into operation is itself in the nature of a substantive right of the three grounds which had weighed with the High Court in affirming the jurisdiction of the trial court. The federal court rested its decision on the principle contained in the ruling of the Privy Council in Colonial Sugar Refining Company Limited versus Irving, which held that a right to appeal is a substantive right whose amendment would generally be prospective. Stop para. In Kiran Singh versus Chaman Paswan, the appellant's suit for recovery of land on the basis of the eviction of the defendants was dismissed by the subordinate judge, which was affirmed in appeal. When the matter was taken up in second appeal to the Punjab High Court, an objection to the valuation of the plaint was raised by the stamp reporter, and the correct valuation was determined by on which the plaintiffs paid additional court fees. Stop.